Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create watercolor effects in Adobe Fresco. Part of the beauty of working with Fresco is that the paint doesn't dry until you want it to. Using a combination of wet and dry brush techniques, you can mix paint or change the individual behaviors and textures of brushes. From the Live Brushes tool, you can control size, color flow, and water flow. And the wet spatter brush can add an interesting splatter effect when painted on top of a digital watercolor background texture like wood or canvas. So first, you need to set up layers. Fresco is optimized for work on a tablet, so it simplifies the creation and management process of layers for painting. Tap Add Layer on the taskbar and you can manipulate and move the layers around, group them or make them into pixel or vector layers for different effects. Second, find your watercolor texture pack. Look for different types of high-resolution watercolor background texture in the app or on Adobe Stock and place them on their own layers. You can adjust the layer properties settings to create a background that is textures like your preferred medium. Good textures to search for include wood grain, asphalt, concrete, and tree bark. And third, see how watercolor paint brushes interact. Fresco has two main types of live brushes, watercolor and oil. Both of these brushes have built-in texture that simulate their respective materials. From the brush settings icon, you can adjust color flow and water flow to get look you want. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.